Blowout Dry Shampoo Foam. Refresh, nourish, and volumize. About the size of a golf ball in my hand. And then I'll rub it in to dispense. Blowout Dry Shampoo Foam is a lightweight cleansing foam that absorbs oils, nourishes the scalp, and gives hair extra bounce, all by refreshing style memory. So now we come and I begin to work in the scalp where the excess oils may be. We'll work this throughout, and then even mid-shaft, just in case anything's built up through the day. The lightweight rice starch naturally absorbs excess oils, cleansing the scalp and hair. Moisture-rich omega nutrients are delivered with a unique blend of Babassu and Cannabis Sativa oil. Lychee fruit and Maracuja oil provide style memory and a soothing, fresh aroma. Blowout Dry Shampoo Foam is for stylists and their guests who wear a blowout for multiple days while wanting a clean, nourished scalp and style memory between washes. We have an option at this point too. You can see how fast it dries, but if I want extra volume, I'll even lightly take my blow dryer, mist the base, and oh my goodness, talk about volume. Now, as I come through here, let's tame everything down now that we've cleansed and we've nourished. And for extra conditioning on those extra long shampoo blowouts, 2, 3, 4 days, what I'll use now is a dry oil conditioning spray. Mist it over the top, and wow. Now, what about other hair types? Let's take a look at our coily hair. When I really want to refresh that scalp and nourish it as well, we'll take the rake, lightly lift it away with the surface rake, lifting the hair away from the scalp. Take the blowout, dry shampoo foam, and again, I'm working it in my hands to dispense. And now let's come in and massage that down into the scalp. The lightweight cleansing foam absorbs the oils again and nourishes at exactly the same time. Work that through. And then of course, I'm going to come back on again with just that little bit of dry oil conditioning spray. Now, let's go to shorter hair. When we're taking a look at refreshing our scalp here, and remember, what we're working with is a deep cleansing dry shampoo. So we take that in, again, work it in my hands, coming down into the scalp, and we can see as it absorbs any styling product, as it would absorb any natural oils that would be on the scalp, the volume just begins to appear. In styling now, get rid of that little bit there. You see how it just dries so fast? Perfect. Now let's drag through. Let's see what we've got for volume. And we need to cleanse that scalp on those extended shampoos for volume. Problem solved. Skipping multiple days between blowouts can cause the scalp and hair to become dry and undernourished. Traditional dry shampoo products use talc powders, plastics, nylons to absorb oil, which can cause dry, irritated scalp conditions. They also use harsh aromas to give long-lasting scent between washes. Surface Blowout Dry Shampoo Foam absorbs excess oils with natural absorbing rice starch and delivers long-lasting omega-rich nutrients with a unique blend of Babassu and Cannabis Sativa seed oil, free of plastics, free of nylons. Surface Blowout uses natural botanicals for fast-drying, nourished hair with lasting volume and style memory. The natural aroma of Maracuja and Lychee is soothing and fresh. Now, a common question would be, what dry shampoo from Surface should I use? The Trinity Dry Shampoo or the Blowout Dry Shampoo Foam? Which one and when? Well, it's really quite easy. When I'm wanting a lighter dry cleansing, I'm going to use the Trinity. Lightly up my scalp. It's quick and it's very light. Now, when I'm going multiple days and I'm wanting deep cleansing from my scalp, that's when I'm going to go to where we began today with the Blowout Dry Shampoo Foam. Light cleansing Trinity, deep cleansing Blowout. Blowout also provides the extra moisture to rejuvenate style memory. Wayne Grund here, founder of Surface. Welcome to Surface Dry Shampoo, as well as Trinity Dry Shampoo.